Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Papa Ever Keychain by XYBAGS, a thoughtful and meaningful gift designed especially for fathers. Whether you're looking for a Father's Day present, a birthday surprise, or a Christmas gift, this keychain offers a charming way to show appreciation for the special dad in your life. The best Papa Ever Keychain is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which means it's built to last. This material is resistant to rust, tarnish, and distortion, so it maintains its bright, shiny finish even after daily use. It's a durable keepsake that can handle the wear and tear of everyday life, making it a practical yet sentimental accessory. Measuring about 1.2 inches, the pendant is the perfect size to fit comfortably on any keyring without being bulky. The engraving clearly displays the phrase, "Best Papa Ever," making it a heartfelt token from a daughter, son, or any child to their father. It's a simple yet powerful message that carries a lot of meaning in a small package. One of the great things about this keychain is its versatility as a gift. It's suitable for all kinds of occasions, from weddings to holidays like Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, or just to celebrate a birthday. It's also an ideal gift for stepdads, fathers-in-law, or any father figure, offering a personalized touch that acknowledges their role in your life. The design features a pull-on closure, ensuring that keys stay secure while being easy to manage. Its modern and sleek look pairs well with any style, so it's a fitting accessory for dads who appreciate a minimalist yet meaningful item. If you're searching for a gift that combines functionality with sentimentality, the XYBAGS Best Papa Ever Keychain is a wonderful choice. It's a constant reminder of love and appreciation that dads can carry with them every day. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.